Hello friends, today I will tell about myself. My name is Geeta. I am 5 years old. I study in UKG. My school name is Delhi Public School. I live in Hyderabad. My father's name is Ravi. My mother's name is Lata. I have one brother and no sister. My brother name is Guru. My favorite color is red. My favorite fruit is apple. I like to play skipping. I love and obey my parents, teachers, and friends. Thanks for watching.